Hey guys, welcome back to another video on LivingWaterStream. And today I'm going to do a Schleich collection. So let's get started. So first we have Majesty, my Tinker Mare. Then we have Ty, my Tinker Stallion. Then we have Spike. I guess he's a Mustang, but I don't really know what breed he is. He's a stallion. Then we got my English thoroughbred mare. Her name's Daisy. Then we got my American saddlebred stallion. It won't focus. It's focusing on the back. His name is Hunter. Then we got my Andalusian Stallion Ranger. Here we have Blaze. I don't know what kind of breed he is, but he's a stallion. Then we have Misty. I don't know what kind of breed she is because I did get her from a friend and she's retired. So then we got my Frisian mare. Her name is Luna. Then we have Dusty, my Andalusian foal. Then we have my Andalusian mare, Ruby. We have my Welsh pony named Sadie. We have my Mustang foal. Her name's Sammy. Then we have my Mustang mare, Sugar. We have my Texas Longhorn bull, and his name is his name is Guapo. Then we have then this is Splash, my little baby cow. Then we have the mama cow, and her name's Bessie. I hope you guys like this short little video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you can be part of the LivingWaterStream family. Okay guys, remember kids, God loves you very much. Bye!